Hi guys, I am going to try to teach our math lesson this way. I'm in my daughter's room because it's quiet, so that's why there's dolls and things in the background, just so you know. All right, I want you to hold on. I'm going to share the math screen. Okay, so we are going to be working on Module 6, Lesson 1. This information should be in your packet, so you're going to want to get that ready first for the workbook pages. Our idea today is that you will be able to generate and organize data by the end of this lesson. So like we do in our other practice, this is what is halfway between 0 and 12. And if you see there, you can see the video. They've given you a number line halfway between 0 and 12. I want you to make a guess. And the answer is 6. I'm sure many of you got that right. We're going to count by sixes to 60. We start with 0. I want you to take a minute and on your scrap paper or somewhere on that notebook paper, go ahead and count from 0 to 6, counting by sixes to 60. This is something that we practiced. And it would be 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. Go ahead, take a minute and practice that by yourself. Possibly even close your eyes and try it alone without the numbers showing. All right, nice work. Now we're going to count by sevens to 70. I was hoping this would let me go ahead and write it for you, but I cannot write it. So I want you to take a minute and write it out for yourself, and then I will say it. And maybe by the next time I do this, I would be able to figure out how to write it. And it would be 0, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Okay, next one, take a minute, count by 8 to 80. Go ahead and try it right on your paper. And if you need more time, you should have a pause button that you could pause. But counting by 8s, we would start with 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 54, 64, 72, 80. I'll do that again. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 7280. And lastly, we'll do nines. Take a minute again, write it on your paper. And we'll say 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. The value of the 6 whole, how many equal parts can the 6 be broken into? And it would be 6 can be divided with a line into 2 groups. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 would go in each box because 3 plus 3 equals 6. Draw a rectangle with 8 as the whole. Divide it into 2 equal groups. Again, you'd split it down the middle. 8 division sentence would be 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And if that was a tape diagram, you would see a 4 in each box. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Application problem. Again, you can pause this for a minute and get your application notebook out that was sent home. Damien folds a paper strip into 6 equal parts. He shades 5 of the equal parts and then cuts off 2 shaded parts. Explain your thinking about what fraction is unshaded. Again, you're going to take a minute. Draw your strip into 6 equal parts. Draw it. Shade 5. He's going to cut off 2 pieces that he shaded. Explain your thinking about what fraction is unshaded. So you would have had 1/6 of the paper strip is unshaded. After 2/6 are cut, 3/6 are still shaded, and I have 1/6 that would be unshaded, even if you cut those pieces off. Today we're going to collect information or data. We will use a survey to find out each person's favorite color from one of the 5 colors listed below. Would be what we would have been doing in class. They tell you a way to organize data is by using a tally chart. We would tally up the number of people who picked each of the following colors. 1, review of a tally, 1 mark. Yellow has 4. If you add 1 through it, would be 5. That would be 1 and 5 for tally marks. Then this asks you the question, how might writing each 5th tally mark with a slash help you count your data? You can't talk to a partner, but it would let you count by 5s to make it easier to count. So look at your problem set and find problem 1. Choose your favorite color on that chart. We aren't going to be able to do this because we're not in class. But we would have added and made heart for each student in green, red for a pictograph. Pictograph is a picture that represents. If one star or one heart equals one person, 3A would be 4 students, 3B would be 2 students. Unless each star heart equaled 2. So that would be 2, 4. So you've got to always look at the key that they give you right here, the key. It says 1 or it could say 2. Okay. How would you make it look like a 5? If you were counting, if it was worth 2, you would draw half of your heart. 2, 4, 5. Okay. So you can go ahead and try the exit ticket. I want you to tell me how many, if each ball or each circle represents 3, how many football, how many soccer, how many tennis, and how many hockey there would be, first of all. So take a minute to do that and pause to get your answer, and then we will move ahead and give the answer. Remember to find the answer for each of these before you even look at the question, and write it up here away from the graph. So football, 3, 6, you would write a 6. Soccer, 3, 6, 9, 12. Tennis, 3, 6, 9. And hockey, 3, 6. And the question would ask you, the same number of students picked blank and blank as their favorite. And that answer would be football and hockey with 6 students. Okay, so that was the lesson for today. We will share the assignments here. So if you can get your workbook out, and I will have that on another video.